to all the dear students. This is chapter number 17, circle, circumference and area. In this part, I am explaining you about circumference of the circle and regarding circumference questions of exercise 17a. So let us start our topic. Okay students, today we are going to learn our chapter number 17, circle, circumference and area. So today I will explain you about circumference of the circle. So students, before many years, when there were no measuring unit, proper measuring unit were not there. At that time, what we people were doing for measuring circles. So here one method I am explaining you. See, first of all we are learning about circumference of a circle. So students, बहुत पहले जो मोस्टली जो साइंटिस्ट थे, मैथमेटिशियंस थे, उन्होंने ऐसे बहुत सारे सर्कल्स बनाए. कहाँ पे? ऐसे फ्लैट लैंड पे बहुत सारे डिफरेंट मेजरमेंट्स के सर्कल बनाए उन्होंने. और फिर उन्होंने रोप की यूज करके उसका ये जो पूरा पैरामीटर, व्हाट वी कॉल द बाउंड्री ऑफ एनी शेप, वी कॉल इट पैरामीटर. सो ये जो पैरामीटर है उसको उन्होंने मेजर करना स्टार्ट किया. जैसे कि ये छोटा सर्कल लिया और एक ये बड़ा सर्कल लिया, तो दोनों सर्कल के पैरामीटर्स उन्होंने मेजर किए. और एक चीज बता दूं आपको बच्चों कि हमने पहले से ही ये जो सेंटर है सर्कल, वहां से ये जो डिस्टेंस है उसको हम बोलते हैं रेडियस. व्हाट वी कॉल इट? रेडियस ऑफ अ सर्कल. एंड जो कि अब अगर हम पूरा सेंटर से लेके डिस्टेंस ले ले पूरा, तो व्हाट वी कॉल इट? वी कॉल इट डायमीटर. सो दिस इज द सेंटर पॉइंट हियर, सो वी कॉल इट एज diameter. Okay, so these are the main things. Okay, मैंने क्या बोला आपको कि मैथमेटिशियंस ये सर्कमफरेंस कैसे मेजर किया सबसे पहले. तो दो अलग अलग या बहुत सारे ऐसे सर्कल्स उन्होंने ड्रॉ किए जिसका डायमीटर्स डिफरेंट था. ओके, सो दिस इज द सेंटर एंड दिस इज द डायमीटर. ओके, सो ये जो है छोटा डायमीटर और ये जो है बड़ा डायमीटर. तो उन्होंने ये पैरामीटर मींस सर्कल फाइंड किया और फिर उन्होंने रेशियो ले लिया. दे हैव फाउंड रेशियो ऑफ, which ratio they have found? That is perimeter, or you can say circumference and the diameter ऑफ अ सर्कल. ये जो रेशियो उन्होंने फाइंड किया है वो हर एक सर्कल में एक सेम जैसा आता था. जैसे कि ये जो फर्स्ट सर्कल है उसका जो रेशियो आएगा वो स्मॉल वैल्यू आएगा, और ये जो आएगा आपको लगता है इसका स्मॉल आएगा इसका बड़ा आएगा. नो, इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. बट उस सबका जो वैल्यू है वो सेम आएगा और वो रहता था 1.1416 की जितना. ये वैल्यू आपने कभी यूज की होगी बहुत से क्वेश्चंस में. हम इसको पाई वैल्यू बोलते हैं. तो ऐसे ही स्टूडेंट्स पाई वैल्यू फाइंड हुई जिसका अनदर वैल्यू है 22/7, जिसको हम फ्रैक्शन में 22/7 भी लिखते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स, पहले से फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ कि एक दो डिफरेंट मेजरमेंट के सर्कल्स ड्रॉ किए हैं जिसके डायमीटर्स डिफरेंट है. ओके, और उसका जो पैरामीटर, उसके लिए स्पेशल वर्ड है सर्कमफरेंस, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं आज. तो जो मैथमेटिशियंस है उन्होंने एक रेशियो फाइंड किया. जो रेशियो था सर्कमफरेंस टू द डायमीटर का. तो वो जो वैल्यू है वो हर एक सर्कल में सेम मिल रही थी, और वो मिल रही थी कितनी? 22/7 के जितनी, जिसको हमने बोल रहा है पाई. दैट वैल्यू वी आर टेलिंग इज पाई वैल्यू. तो पाई वैल्यू का इन्वेंशन हो गया है, जो पाई इज इक्वल टू 3.14 और यू कैन से इज इक्वल टू 22/7. एक्चुअली दिस इज नॉट इक्वल वैल्यू, दिस इज अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू, अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यूज है ये, क्योंकि जो पाई वैल्यू है वो इनफाइनाइट वैल्यूज है आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट. सो वी हैव टेकन फॉर आवर कन्वीनियंस अप टू 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस and in fraction we use it as 22/7. So students, हमने देखा कि ये रेशियो जो है सर्कल एंड डायमीटर का, तो हम इसको शॉर्ट में लिख सकते हैं सर्कल circumference to the diameter is pi, right? This what we get after this all the experiment. So we want to find now circumference. See, so what we can do, multiplying this with pi with d, right? बट ये d किसका लिखा है, डायमीटर का d है. तो डायमीटर मीन्स क्या, मैंने यहाँ पे आपको शो किया कि ये रेडियस है जिसका डिस्टेंस है सेंटर टू द ये circumference of the circle, and this diameter is whole line which is from both the ends of the circumference passing through the center. So इसका मीनिंग हुआ कि डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस रेडियस. Okay, so diameter is always double than radius. So circumference is pi into 2r. 2r हमने ये देखा ऊपर कि ये जो diameter है उसकी वैल्यू है डबल ऑफ रेडियस. So now students, we can write our circumference C is equal to 2 pi r. You see how we get this formula, that is from this pi value only we found circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. So okay students, what we have learned right now about the circumference of the circle. Now there is one more fact, that if there is a wheel, so vehicle wheel, if I draw here, so this is also circular shape, and अगर एक wheel पूरा एक revolution, एक पूरा round कंप्लीट करता है, तो उसका जो लेंथ है वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करता है, एक सर्कमफरेंस के जितना. तो व्हाट वी राइट हियर, दैट इफ अ व्हील मूव्स one full revolution, then it covers distance of one circumference, पूरा एक circumference जितना, पूरा एक circular round complete करता है, right? So this is very important fact. आपको याद रखना है कि एक व्हील का जब एक राउंड कंप्लीट होता है, एक रिवॉल्यूशन कंप्लीट होता है, तब वो पूरा डिस्टेंस कितना होता है, एक सर्कमफरेंस के जितना. तो हियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन योर एक्सरसाइज सम क्वेश्चंस आर देयर रिलेटेड टू wheel questions or one track questions when a wheel is moving in some specific track. So now we have to find number of revolutions. Suppose we want to find number of revolutions, okay, in the question. So how do we find? So this is very simple, that it is circumference divided by the distance covered. So how we write? Circumference divided by the distance covered. So this way you can say that we can find, sorry I have written that wrong. First of all, this is distance upside and circumference downside actually. So student, if we want to calculate number of revolutions, तो हमको कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? पूरा डिस्टेंस कितना कवर किया है, डिस्टेंस कवर्ड डिवाइडेड बाय द circumference of the wheel, So this is the formula, very important. You have to remember, number of revolution is equal to distance upon circumference. Let me take one question for example, that if the one wheel is there which is covering distance, suppose 100 meters, 100 meter distance is covered, and the circumference of the circle you have to find out, means the radius of the circle is given to you, suppose 3.5 or you can say 10 centimeters, then what is the circumference? You can find using radius, circumference and the distance is given. So you can find number of revolutions also in this question. So how that I explain you? 100 meters this is, and this is in centimeter, it means 0.01 meter. So 0.1 meter it is, and 2 pi r is 0.1 meter. So this way you can find number of revolution by calculating this. Pi value accordingly given in the question, you can substitute either 22/7 or 3.14. So students, these are two very good things that we have learned today about the circumference, and secondly number of revolutions, how to find out. So let us start exercise 17a with the concept we have studied before. So first question here given is find the circumference of the circle whose diameters are given to you. I'll solve one question for you so that you can understand how to solve the other three questions. I am taking first third part. This is 9.8 centimeter diameter is given. So what we want to find? The circumference. I am writing find the circumference. So just now we have studied, students, the circumference C is equal to pi multiplying diameter, right? And diameter is already given to you. Also, it is given in the question that use 22/7 when there is no value of pi given in the question. So 9.8 is the diameter. I will substitute as 98/10. So now students, this is 7 ones are 7 and 14 sevens are. So now by calculating this, you get the answer. I will not cut by 2 because there is point answer. So multiplying 22, multiplying 14, dividing by 10, whatever we get the answer, that is our circumference in centimeters. So by calculation, I get answer number 3 as 30.8 centimeter. Question 2. Now I am taking question number 2. That is find the circumference of the circle whose radii are given to you. Again, find the circumference type of question only. But when it is given radius. In the first question, we were given diameter. Here it is radius given. So I am taking again third part. That is radius is equal to 3.5 centimeters. So again using our formula. But here radius is given. So I will use 2 pi r formula. So this is 22/7 multiplying 3.5. Usually I write in the fraction as 35/10. Now it is very easy to cut the values. 5 2s are 2 cut here. So my answer is 22 centimeter as the circumference of the circle. So this is very easy, students. Now you understand. When the diameter is given, you directly put pi multiply d, and whenever radius is given, use C is equal to 2 pi r formula. Now taking question number 4 of 17a. Students, question number 3 is quite easier. You can solve by yourself. It is find the circumference type of question. Now here in question 4, find the length of the diameter of the circle whose circumference are given. So here what we want to find out? The length of diameter. Length of diameter. So this is different question in which you are given circumference. So I am taking number 2 of fourth one. The circumference is given to you as 8.8 centimeters. This is the circumference. You want to find the length of the diameter of the circle. So I use here C is equal to 2 pi r. Or diameter you want to find. So you can write directly pi multiply d. You will get direct answer. So this circumference value we already know. That is 8.8. I substitute here. Pi value you are not given what to take. So directly use 22/7. And d value we want to find out. So now next step, d is equal to the 7 going cross way, 8.8 into, so 8.8 also I can write 88 by 10, and this is 22 in the denominator. So now 22 fours are 88 and 7 fours are 28, divided by 10. So the diameter value is equal to 2.8 centimeters of our question number 4, second part. Now let us take next question, question number 5. That I will start here, question number 5. Here in 5 number, find the lengths of the radii of the circles whose circumference are. Means here we found the length of diameter. Now we will find the radius length. So find the length of radius. So same way students, here also circumference is given to us. So I will use number 3rd question. Here number 3. Circumference is given 13.2 meters. And we want to find the radii. Okay, radius of this circle. So now C is equal to 2 pi r. Why? Because I want to find radius. I use this formula. 13.2 circumference is given 2. This is 22 by 7 and this is r as it is. Now we take 7 upside and 22 and 2 in the denominator. So this 132 by 10 multiply 7 in the division 2 into 22. I think this is the basic mathematics. Everybody know how to solve. Okay, now by 2 I cut this. So this is 66. 22. 3s are 66. This is 21 by 10. So radius value r is equal to 2.1 meter. So students, you can see now 4 and 5 question how I have solved. First question in which I want to find the length of the diameter, जो हमने फाइंड किया है पाई मल्टीप्लाई डी फॉर्मूला यूज करके, एंड जब लेंथ ऑफ रेडियस फाइंड करना था तो हमने यूज किया है 2 पाई आर फॉर्मूला से. Continuing with our exercise 17a, chapter 17, students taking question number 8 directly. Now question number 6, 7 you can do very easily. Question number 8 is find the perimeter of the semicircular plate of radius 3.85 centimeter. So here first question, radius is given to you in the question, that is 3.85 centimeters. And it is written that it is semicircular plate. So semicircular shape is like this students. It should be there in your mind always. And this radius is given, but this is what we call diameter. And this is the half perimeter, or you can say half circumference only. So what they asked to get, they find the perimeter. So perimeter means first of all we find diameter. So diameter is equal to 2r. It is 2 multiplying 3.85. Value 7.70 centimeters of this diameter. Also we find the half circumference. This is 2 pi r no. So dividing by 2. Why dividing by 2? Because this is half circumference. So I have divided by 2. It means this 2 to get cut. Only pi r we have. So that is 22 by 7 into 3.85. So now by cancellation, let us take 0.55 and by multiplying 22 into 0.55. Whatever answer we get, that is our half circumference. So we add this half circumference and the diameter value, we get the perimeter of this semicircular plate. So now you can see students, I got my answer. 22 multiply 0.55 is 12.10, which is the half circumference. And the total perimeter, now this is the whole part we want to add. So perimeter is the diameter plus the half circumference. So the diameter is 7.70 plus 12.10. Adding I get 19.80 centimeter, जो कि हमारा perimeter of a semicircular plate है. So this way you can solve क्वेश्चंस लाइक दिस. नाउ एक क्वेश्चन में सेकेंड पार्ट है जिसमें लिखा है कि द सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल exceeds the diameter by 16.8 centimeter. So student, this is the second part of your question number 8, in which circumference is exceeding means circumference ज्यादा है diameter. diameter का symbol capital D. कितना ज्यादा है 16.8 सेंटीमीटर जितना. मीन्स ये दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना होगा 16.8 सेंटीमीटर जितना. हमको फाइंड करना है रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई एम फाइंडिंग द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल हियर. फॉर दैट आई विल यूज हियर फॉर्मूला that is pi multiply d. Circumference of the circle is pi multiply d minus d is equal to 16.8. So you can see I can take d common here and pi minus 1 in the bracket is equal to 16.d. And d is here, so 22 by 7 minus 1 is equal to 16.8. This way you can calculate, or directly you take this d here and without also taking it common also you can solve by yourself. 22 minus 7, so here 15 by 7. What I get here? 15 by 7 is equal to 16.8. So here d value is equal to 16.8 multiplying 7 upon 15. So once you get d value, the half of it, you get the radius of the circle also. So students, here I got my answer of diameter. You can see by calculation 117.6 dividing by 15, I get 7.84 as my diameter. But the question is you have to find the radius. So मैंने radius find किया है which is dividing 2 to the diameter, because we know radius is half of the diameter. So 7.84 divided by 2, I get 3.92 centimeter as my radius. So these are the two different questions, students. Question number 8 is completed here. So now taking question number 9, exercise 17a. A wire is in the form of a circle of radius 42 centimeter. So radius is given to us in the question, that is 42 centimeter. और लिखा है कि एक वायर जो है वो सर्कल फॉर्म में बेंड किया गया है. It is bent into a square. Determine the side of the square. Means एक वायर है जिसका पहले हमने सर्कल बना लिया, ओके, और उसका रेडियस हमें स्पेसिफाइड है जो कि है 42 सेंटीमीटर्स का. एंड अब वही वायर का यूज करके हम एक स्क्वायर फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, ओके. तो क्वेश्चन इज देयर दैट व्हाट इज द साइड. जो साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर का मेजरमेंट हमको फाइंड करना है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, जो वायर है वो सिर्फ बाउंड्री पे होगा. जो वायर सर्कल फॉर्म करने के लिए यूज हुआ है वही वायर हम यूज कर रहे हैं स्क्वायर फॉर्म करने में. उसका मीनिंग ये हुआ है कि सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ द सर्कल इज सेम एज पैरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर. समझ में आया आपको कि जो ये सर्कल का सर्कमफरेंस बना है वो ही सेम पैरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर भी बना है. तो नाउ आई विल फर्स्ट फाइंड सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ द सर्कल यूजिंग रेडियस so that I get the perimeter of the square also very easily. So first C is equal to 2 pi r, that is the formula for circumference of the circle. Placing the values here, 7 6 and this is 12 into 22. So I am not just calculating the circumference, keeping the same now. And what I want now, perimeter, no? So perimeter is equal to 4 multiply the length of the side of the square. Now perimeter and circumference are same. So I write 12 into 22 here, which is our circumference, is equal to 4L. So for value of L, L is equal to 12 multiply 22 dividing by 4. So 4 3s are and 22 threes are 66 centimeters. So this is how I get my side of the square length. So this is the side of the square which they asked to get in our question number 9. Now taking question number 10. This is question number 10 in figure 17.05. The figure is given like this to us. This is like this. And quarter, this is called quarter of the circle, whose radius is 3.5 centimeter. So R is given 3.5 centimeters. Find the perimeter of a quarter of the circle correct to 1 decimal place. So what I told you, this shape is called quarter of the circle, and here there are two radius. This is also radius and this is also radius, and this is 1/4 of the circumference of the circle. So first of all I take C 2 pi r divided by 4. Why divided by 4? Because I want this part only, and that part is 1/4 of the circumference. So you can say pi r by 2. Okay. Now value of pi not given, so we use 22 by 7. R is given 35 by 10, and there is 2 also here. So now this is 5 sevens are 5 twos are 7 7 get cancelled, 2 11s are, so 11 by 2. This is our circumference value, and 11 by 2 is nothing but 5.5 centimeters. Now we want to find the perimeter of this quarter. So perimeter is equal to, this is R plus R. So R plus R means 3.5 plus 3.5 plus this is the quarter. So that is 5.5. So adding all this we get our final answer of perimeter of the quarter of the circle. तो आपको बता दें, this is 12.5 सेंटीमीटर. बाय कैलकुलेशन हमें मिल जाता है आंसर perimeter of a quarter of a circle. Okay students, question number 11, exercise 17a. In this question, first part, the inner circumference of a circular track is 440 meter. So you are given this type of circular track. So the first line you are given inner circumference, means this part inner circumference is given. So I write CI, C for circumference, I for inner, 440 meter. This is given in the question. The track is 14 meter wide. It means this part, this is 14 meter in width. Now find the diameter of the outer circle of the track. We want to find diameter. This is outer diameter. This we want to find out. So what we want to find out? Outer diameter, DO. So first of all, let us find the inner radius. We don't know the inner radius. So using our circumference, inner circumference 440. So 2 pi r I, inner I, is equal to 440. 2 as it is 22 by 7, pi value, and Ri is equal to 440, this way. So now Ri value I want to find out. So that 440, 7 upside and 22 twos are 44 downside. So 44 tens are, therefore radius, inner radius is found as 70 centimeter, sorry meters, because Ci is given as meters. Now let us take our outer radius. You see that inner radius is found. So now I can find outer radius and then outer diameter also. Right. So how do we find? RO, outer radius. That is inner radius 70 plus this width of the track, that is 14 meter. So adding this 14 here, we get 84 meters, that is outer radius. But the question is find the outer diameter. So diameter is double of radius, 2 into 84. So we get answer as 168 meters, that is our outer diameter. Question number 11, first part completed here. Now second part of your question number 11, the inner edge of a circular running track is 440 meter long as we are given in the first one. If the track is 10 meter wide, okay, so width of the track is different here. So I am solving here second one. So this is the second part of question number 11, in which we are given inner circumference is 440 meter and another is track width of track is given 10 meter here. So find the length of the outer edge of the track. It means we want to find outer circumference. So first of all, we take our CI, that is already found in the first part only. So I write directly now that inner radius will be 70 meters. Students, in the first part whatever we have solved, using it I have written here radius inner radius of the circular path is 70 meter. You do not need to find it out again. Now the width is known to you. This is the width of the track here. So radius, outer radius will be 70 plus 10, 80 meter. And now we will find the outer length of that path. So that is outer circumference, 2 pi outer radius. So by calculation, 2 into 22 by 7 into 80, we get our answer. That answer will be in point. So let us solve it in point.